Welcome to the Learning Pines YouTube. We hope this video helps.
Unlock the secret to a beautifully vibrant and intensely flavorful pistachio cake, a true showstopper. This delightful dessert offers a unique balance of nutty sweetness and a delicate crumb, making it perfect for any occasion, from simple gatherings to elegant celebrations. We will guide you through each step, ensuring you create a treat that not only looks stunning, but tastes even better, truly impressing everyone. Get ready to bake something truly special. Achieving that authentic pistachio flavor begins with selecting the finest quality ingredients, ensuring a rich and true taste. You will primarily need finely ground shelled pistachios, special cake flour for a tender crumb, softened unsalted butter, and fresh eggs. A small amount of almond extract will subtly boost the nutty essence, and a touch of green food coloring will give your cake its signature vibrant hue, making it visually stunning. These essentials are your foundation for success. Master proper mixing techniques to ensure your pistachio cake bakes up incredibly light and wonderfully moist, a truly satisfying texture. Begin by creaming your softened butter and granulated sugar until the mixture becomes pale and beautifully fluffy, then slowly incorporate the fresh eggs, one at a time, mixing well after each addition. Finally, carefully fold in your sifted dry ingredients, alternating with milk and the finely ground pistachios, being sure to avoid any overmixing. This ensures a tender, perfect crumb every time. Crown your delicious cake with a smooth, creamy pistachio glaze that adds an absolutely irresistible finishing touch. This delightfully simple glaze comes together quickly, combining powdered sugar, a splash of milk, just a hint of almond extract, and of course, more finely ground pistachios for that vibrant flavor. Once your cake has completely cooled, drizzle the glaze generously over the top, letting it gently set. This creates a beautiful, sweet layer that perfectly complements the cake's rich taste and striking color. Experience the pure joy of serving your homemade, exquisite pistachio cake to appreciative guests and loved ones. To enhance its elegant presentation, consider garnishing each slice with a light sprinkle of additional chopped pistachios or a few vibrant fresh berries. This not only adds visual appeal, but also a lovely textural contrast. Pair a generous slice with a warm cup of freshly brewed coffee or a delicate, fragrant tea to truly enhance and savor the cake's unique, nutty flavors. Enjoy every single bite.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.